Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome to another JD show. Today I want to talk about some new Massdi models I have. Yes, I got a new trailer here. It's called General from Massdi and a new truck from Scania and also Unimog, I would say, from Massdi, but this product is sorry, the focus. This product is sadly unlicensed, so this is not licensed by Mercedes. But the Scania is actually licensed, as you can see. Same with the trailer. This is just an, I don't know, trailer. I don't know what manufacturer in real life this would be. It only says 8-axle semi-low trailer. So for like heavy load or extra wide load. Yes, I've already showed you this one here in a video in blue with the blue Scania. That's actually also here. I don't know if we need to include it to the video. I don't think so. But that being said, I also got some Schuko models here with me, also from the same design from the THW. It's called the, you can see the focus here. You can see this is a German technisches Hilfswerk, like a technical helping organization. They do help the fire department, for example. I don't know if you're familiar with them. So let's unbox the Unimog first. We have the hard cardboard packaging here from Massdi. These boxes are magnetic. That is pretty cool. And then here the car is covered in foam. Very nice packaging. Very nice packaging, I have to say. So here we have the car. There you can see Technisches Hilfswerk, and this is from Obernburg. Is this the same? No, that's a different city. But yeah, you can see this one here. Let me lower the camera a bit. This one here is pretty massive for 164 scale. Yeah, there should be a Mercedes star here in the front, I think, but yeah, this is unlicensed. But we do get a metal body. Then we have a plastic part here that we can remove from the bed. These hooks here, pretty nice. Yeah, this is made of metal body here also, and a plastic base, rubber tires. We do have a spare tire here in a very, we can actually, it is loose. Can we actually remove it? No. We can't remove it. It's not coming out. But it is loose. I don't know if that's supposed to be loose. Not sure. But it is an actual rubber tire and the same rims. So the car is screwed together. A lot of nice details here. Also here in the back we have painted taillights. We have painted lights in the front also. Side mirrors with painted reflection. No reflective sticker, it is painted. And the lights here on top, a big steering wheel, very nice truck. It is rolling pretty good, but scare wise I'm not 100% sure. I mean, yeah, this would fit, but you know, there are different sizes of these trucks, so that could definitely be that it is that big. Some of the Unimogs are pretty small, so this one could be a very small one and this one could be a big one. I think the size is good. Size difference looks pretty good and they look pretty good together. Very nice. Yeah, let's put these to the side here for now. And then we're gonna have a look on the truck, the Scania. Same packaging here. Magnetic. Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, just put the camera a bit up. So here we have the same foam. And there you go with the truck. Yeah, I really like this packaging. It is pretty good. Then here we have the second truck, now in olive green. The other one was light blue with some yellow stripes, based on a real one. I don't know if this one is also based on a real truck. That could possibly be. You see a lot of lights here in the back, all just painted details. We have 4 axles here for heavy load. We do have inserted details here for the headlights. That's pretty nice. They look pretty good. We have side mirrors, we have antennas, 3. Then also light here on top. On the other one we had an orange light bar. So that's a difference also. And it is rolling pretty good. And yeah, I would say very nice details. And then coming to the trailer, we do get some extra parts here also. Then we also have a nice description here. So this time we have the trailer in black. Yeah, as you can see, 8 axles with rubber tires. The trailer is made of metal. It is very cool. This is metal. And some plastic parts underneath it. Then we also have these here working. That's pretty nice. Very nicely done. See here, reflective stickers here in the back. All these security markers. We have the tail lights here painted. Overall nicely done. Then you have these extra small parts that you can move here however you want it. You have different places where you can put them. Depends on the car that you want to put on top here. Then for the extra parts, we do have some spare tires. Yeah, now the focus is right. We have some spare tires that we can put up here. And another one, a smaller one, spare tire for the trailer. And then we do have a bigger tire, a spare tire for the truck, I assume. Can put up here. And then this pole here, I don't know if that is helping to pull things up here. I don't know, maybe for a wrench or like a chain to hold it. And then we do have these here that you can make the trailer wider. You see these little holes on the side, and then you can put this in here. Fits very well. And on the other side the same. And then we just made our trailer wider, same like I already showed you on the blue one. Yeah, sorry. So we can just put these down here, and then we can also load the truck. And we do also have space for the Unimog here. But yeah, we don't want to load the truck. We want to load this THW truck here. Yes, and then the Unimog behind it. Put these back up, and there you go. That's pretty nice. Yeah, guys, what you say? What you think about these? I think this looks pretty nice. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think. You know, I do like trucks in 1/64. Trucks are very nice to have, also for the diorama and everything. And yeah, these are very well designed. Yeah, let me know what you think. Which one is your favorite? Is it maybe the THW truck, or is it the Scania truck? Let me know what you think, and as always, guys, thanks for watching and have a great day.